Hi guys, today I'm going to show you our new project which we have developed using open source platforms, which actually works on machine learning and a few bit of artificial intelligence algorithm has been introduced. And today we are actually showing you Project On Air, which is a product of the Realm, and which actually has web analytics as well as mobile analytics with deep learning and deep analytical data. So of course there is Google Analytics. Of course there are other analytical platforms. But how are we different? We are actually different in a very different way. We are actually different in a way where we have actually introduced a lot of in-depth understanding and in-depth analytical analysis on our platform. So let me just quickly show you how this works. So right now this has been hosted on lifeonclouds.com, and we are actually kept this as an add-on option for all our Life on Clouds customers. Now let me log in as an admin so that I can show you uh, how this dashboard works and how this actually works in detail. So this is the dashboard, and I have three websites which I have uh, signed up for, or I can say there are three websites which I'm actually tracking the analytics there. So Life on Clouds is a platform where it's a managed platform for development, social media management, and marketing, and as well the entire digital environment and ecosystem development and marketing. So this is what we use for the deep data analysis for all our clients who have opted for deep data analysis. And taking an example, let me just show you how Life on Clouds itself is running right now. So if I click on Life on Clouds, here, it takes you to Life on Clouds dashboard, and it gives you insight details about every visit of particular person, every unique visitors, every page visits, and the duration, the average duration what they have spent on lifeonclouds.com website. You can also see bounce rate, page visits, page per visits, and all these things. And you can see some graphical representation of the traffic sources from what source people are coming on your site. And you can also see what kind of visitors are there. Are there repeated visitors or new visitors, or um, everything. So these are the common things which are there on every analytical platform. So how are we different? So we are different here. You can just see number of things. You can go in depth uh, details of every option here. First thing, if you have an e-commerce platform already built, so you can actually check every single data of every transaction, every revenue, every visits to purchase, and days they have spent to purchase a product. Now, for example, if a person today sees your product, okay, he comes online, checks your product, and we still don't know whether he likes it or not, so he goes back and visit other products, probably take some time, take some number of days to come back to your site, and he comes back and now he has decided to purchase your product. Now he goes ahead and purchase the product. So now how many days he has taken to come back to your site and purchase the product? So we go in depth of that so that we understand and make sure that the delay is reduced. So that is one of the advantage here, where we can actually see these things. And if there is content is king right now. So uh, on your page or on your mobile page or your mobile app, how much the content is actually selling, how much people are seeing that, how much attractive is your content, how much data have you put in your content. So all these examples, all these details can be drawn from the Project On Air platform. You can go with the details of which is the page which is actually running good, which is a top page, or you can actually go with the page types and actually check every page details, how that particular page is actually performing. So how a person is entering your pages, how a person is exiting your pages, and the DOM streams. DOM streams are something brilliant which we have actually introduced. That is actually the intelligence part where it actually records every moment of the particular visit and how the behavior of that visitor is all about. So how many times there he is clicking, where he is clicking, what is getting attracted for him, how is he scrolling down, what is the content he's reading, and everything. It gives you all the insight of every particular transaction. So now let me also show you. Okay, now if you actually have some geolocation tools like MaxMind and other geolocation tools installed, but right now at this moment I have not installed, but it's pretty easy to put it on this platform. We have access for all these things, and if you install it, it can actually give you visitors location, and that Google does that. Google actually gives you visitors location, but I go in deep. We go to the level of city, we go to the level of IP location, we go to the level of exact location of that particular device. And for example, if you open a Uber cab app, Uber cab app actually shows the pinpoints you the exact place where you stand based on your GPS location. We go to that certain level and actually points every person from every location. So it gives you insights of what are the domains, where he's coming from, visitors loyalty, how loyal he is for us, and visitors age, and a lot of other parameters, what other operating systems they are using, everything. Okay, and if I'm talking about the traffic, search terms, how does a person comes to your website? For example, life on clouds. Life on clouds is a managed, we can say it's a managed application to handle all your digital needs. So let's say if a person Google's managed services for digital needs on Google, they can say that probably that is their keyword, managed services or service agency for digital needs. So these search terms actually shows you exact searches or the words they have used it, or the keywords what they have used it. So, and search engines inbound link, if there is any backlinks which you have done, so you will know from which link he is actually coming, which search engine he is using, and how is your ad performing. And I'm sorry, this is AVG, something expired there. Anyway, so how the ad is performing, what are the ad types you have, the creative performance of it, and everything. So this is a funnel thing which you can actually when there is an ad which is launched, and you can actually create a funnel visualization for the ad, and it actually gives you how many people are actually coming in and going out of the funnel. And that's a study which we will teach you when you subscribe or when we start managing your account. Anyway, so let me just show you quickly how this particular visit has done. Okay, though there is a visitor here. Okay, let me just see what was his behavior and how did it happen, everything. So now let me just see visit details. Let me visit the details and check what was his things. So we have something called as clickstream. Okay, before telling you about clickstream, if there is a person, if we have already put in the MaxMind geolocation, or if we are installed some other geolocation app here on this platform, we'll be seeing the IP address here as well as the perfect location of the person. So now right now it's not set, so it's showing not set. And okay, let me go back to clickstream now. Now what is clickstream? Clickstream is something which actually shows you the click behavior, the mouse behavior or the content behavior of your particular page. Now this visitor, that's admin actually, that's me, but anyway, this visitor has clicked on these particular sites. Let me just go back on this. Let me click here and see what was his uh, thing all about. So he has visited 8 times, I mean, yeah, 8 times the website and 12 visits for this particular page. So now let me see the heat map. Heat map is a thing which actually shows you exactly where he is clicking, why he is clicking, and everything. So let me start it. Okay. Now this visit, where you can see these dots are the clicks of this particular visitor on this page. So he has come here on this page, he has seen this, he has clicked on exclusive, he has tried doing something. Okay, he has clicked on sign up as well, and he has clicked on this. Okay, he has clicked here with a lot of clicks here, and tried. Okay, so this page has got so many clicks. Okay, so this will actually give you the insight of what is that actually happening on the on your page. If a visitor comes on this page, are they interested in this photo? I mean, this image? No. Are they clicking on this image? No. Are they interested on this description? Yeah, someone has tried clicking on the description. Someone has tried signing up. Someone has tried clicking on the exclusive. Randomly, people have clicked here. I mean, why they have clicked here, I don't know. See, this they have tried as probably scroll bar, but this is not a scroll bar. So you will understand every detail of this. Now, what was the last visits behavior? Let me just go back and check this downstream. If I can see the users, the behavior of this particular visit. Okay, on this page, the latest was on, that's today. Let me see how it has happened. Let me play for you quickly. Right. Okay, so this is the downstream check. Let's play it. Okay, can you see this black cursor? I'll play this again for you guys. Okay, this is what you saw there. He clicked on exclusive. He has clicked. Can you see these red dots? These are the clicks. Yeah, he can actually see this was the behavior of the user. Now he has tried clicking on this guy. He has tried clicking on Go Mobile. See, you can see the click there, you can see the click there, and you can see the click on Android. That is what we saw on the heat map. Oh, these are the random clicks we saw there. Okay, these are the random clicks. Okay, this was his behavior and on this visit. So these are the details which we actually go in deep with our project on air, and there are a lot of other things which you can actually partner and which you can actually check this out and get it on it. So this is available for all our customers on Life on Clouds. That's an option to choose. It's an add-on to choose, but it's a compulsory, or it's a package with the exclusive package what we have on lifeonclouds.com. Thanks a lot, guys.